ai zan mashal kamatina mulana manyala bancharalan tabajirle kabahar mahali jalin jebe chan puni ama na wuna kambong na kodir sha'ana na wuni wumma danin yani sale koyalli fakar nguna nevu otu hapun tamadili bobe suhu yini kamar ka ta futu so mene pakpele tebe gafa ka alan wumsiro ta sahayati pagi tenangwana ne magi banda gangdati batun buhara na babangdati ei nzo nandana zan mashala kamatina mulana manyala bancharalan tabajirle kabahar mahali nzo nandana zan mashal kamatina mulana manyala bancharalan tabajirle kabahar ay nzo nandana zan mashal kamatina mulana manyala bancharalan tabajirle kabahar mahali nzo nandana yazang mashal kamatina mulana manyala bancharalan tabajirle kabahar ne saya dede ne ya saya bisa adamun dede kayane ya saya kabadasa ne dede straight up me tumi ya swalka wa arma ya pupana ya insha Allah Rabbi. Okay, the number one standard of a presenter on NTV ya pupana ya nzam program shaydin bayol sang da tarana enti mi mallatum maliyatu ashanga tra program ma na kamal tum pilen de lisham zumo dabselongo atalata dabse kandele kadenchana katiya kana hafizu yan statal mani yetu ayini lala yetu ashaltin yanzan mpilzumo programa nyamaya ta ninkura ta dalfanama ta nanama ta pamba yalkar zannam zinlakat yan suhi kabwa yawanama be dagbamba be tutuduna nama kadala nawun kuto larga sunu arziki yawo so pangmanga so walgu o wunti be o sugu de kuto larbu arziki she wako malawo she buko vabo she lukuruko nyubo she ozumobo she ofamabo she lalakatzaya. Our mentality as a people seems to suggest that no one can be rich in Tamale or in northern region without the fact that he has gone into rituals. Laka ta hankal tarti. Tabe satan na won kadariya puni. Ni to dehne o dehla yung wona gbonfuma. Ntie ni bia ka ni bia na arziki. Tabe dere tabler tabe nyarle. Ta imana ba sati. Kata fiabre bia wata fiabre shamu. Kati chen makango labrana shamu. Ka lorno la ka yer zaka. Ka mal tahma nete da dua nete fabla na won ne dam pale. Ka so deni to kunang mana yawon ma the best way ti ni to non yala te farla la ka dartalma nzan ta bu'li bin zan ta waho tamal da kurun ka tiri punu mun kamza hamal lagra damane mun kamza ha nawnu kul larga su ko walgu karanan da mana nya zum dum bien yala ya wa ko mal ko gboro ngorma tro tungu ko chang ta fabwa zala ko chang yoko chang lala hankal shel dum bitangoma tebe dere table kama de vurutit kafara imane de yerte musulun se puni hal yul ka so mal yimo kama fanse gana na ko to yule non na ko to fan ko yilia bu'le tima kama jama makasio na ku tu ko na ne jan kun ko kota ka jan kun tu dwala ka to kwarma wa na gbor lo ma to bota de simsin ne te tablia ne nawune ngun tra hal lagr ma ba ay tom nyele kar nye dama zangta ne zangta munyara ka kale na on larga su arziki dama nyele nti omin banjia no omamanga na alero ya ka zangta asuna kama na wuna na ganwuntu ma ontu ta ka boso onku tu ka bohama ontu ta ka bo te de farna won kadariya zang de ter oben namda den yete musulmi sel kalafta chafna ma katabomi kanyi mal wa ko borta ka biani ko daba dane biani ngun bela soezo biani ngun bela to ri jila yanga yo lor lan ngun ka kunya kar ko jim jate ne ko baji na du ngone timma ntamme bia ko ne ko la baji yina du ka jidu ka biani ko non mbor man zanga hankal na kamane ya tumutuma dim wahala dama nema nyin walgu kan babu imani kaman annan da bai shama na wun kaddari ya pune dan lar adashi le duniya wani lahira na borshel za hambala kada far na wun kaddare zang da tarban namda bai bin nema bai bwa no di ma hankale in bi yala yi lalaban da kane in bi yala yi nirba kutu nan le amma termal mindset kama ngun kam za hanin katar na arziki be yuli be bangsam be zashi be tuntale bu'lanto mormana fu hankal ka tele ka ditable nawo ne to so kama za all right ne ya saya ne meya wa rajul bon Muhammad Hafiz ya chela afam mahman kan shadap al Hafiz aka G-Face shitobina nyasi yang blichin bidub go bisang keresu goble bomberle ne twarle annab no ngaram ka wariya pupa native zone chaka su palgara karman la nyela ko nyuro chogol ya chaka ya tega ka bana abiya atuzu ayanga apanzuk sim native zo biru ngoma amma mani alama ne kaman ko chan makashir annabi sufa shifa biya karapuni no durgo so tagbla alquran ne kun faya kunu no zazo katagbob kafane ne kanala dunda yan ne karan yetimiya kabukan nan kanala dinin yetila okay chakan lan labna titega ka bang na NTV ka gbamaya dinin yetv station sheldon yar aballe and of course sa shel kamza hanyarame ya gbab TV station ngoma jande aba chiram aba bram aba gabe aba yerga ka yible se ka haybala ya jabaru na gan kudurana na tatamlana munan nan amina zan hakatariya ka tabang ya mangli ka satel kamili ka dwelle talla nyele ne tidire amfana ma galsiya sa shel kamza hakan yara ama programs ma din yaya okay anna ba program shel ngoma ya den ka ta gam yul bol ne den chana trenden kar be TV station shel den gam kaman ne pun yala ma okay kar le biya go punu nyanya ye to shel den chana kamal amfana inti amin ajinel za hannan banyindi bamba dahla barka punu ka ta volume rana inti boss nyanya tin to zang le songa ka nan amfani all right program ma ye to anin ye shel mbala imma siyasa nyale politics nyale imma irin social issues biya go ye to an ku nyale imma pour parlement nyale wula nyale kar ku simsina ade table zan jandre pulu dama agbara piele la fotiya kanye bleaching gana waya de zodde mal bukata ne lahbal shel dam biene ka na to nan amfana de puni lalla ka programme ma ni yesa ya kan lan labna titega ka ban na kamania bambum be kantanga ka dad arziki nan de programme ma ka de kanama menazin food spices banyala bambi tabban son puni ka programme ma kanama anta pa Marie Stopes lalla Marie Stopes ngoma NGO nyale ka betu tuduna ka le pa ban na dapza ha domin de dala fi so ya tan kanati yala je to alsan jande de pulu kanati olive natural tea to ngoma nan da manya sama lala olive natural tea ngoma ya it is a quick one din chaka anyar alafi ka anyar biagol nin nisam ka nan bana nan da polpol ajiya din perka furila kar cin shafe yalanga ya na kanati yala da baye to abel fu okay before kan na de talang ma kallabna na bor man pa headline stories zungo dabsel ngotin yel ye to ashanga din yetala zan tamina za ha ka ko be TV be radio nam zo be jishakar be dan kati yel ya one on the headline story man yala dene 6 confirmed dead the Bagri Dam spillage okay ale north east region ya alngo kuldabe ni mana ka yuru kamzan hakaba yoro la kuldango ma bandan yi wado ya pulu kanama okay lala kulguma nyala ban yu shalia de ba bande sayar ga mi ya alma za ha ka kom ku taw kar cendiro pam hale karatije na kaman irin wula nirba yob la sab kong la ben yefle nta hadiye to ambient zang letana kana che the promise ultra modern studio in the north fancy gadam gave me the idea bawumia officer to the north jirmu aye to ayayina katangban zo lampa jilman alhaji mahmud bawumia onyala ngun zang ye to alete from the NPP manifesto karmal bukata na telehliya no fancy gadam ngun bidabga yindi yela la rato hankale na de samsene tudungona nibu mi ultra modern studio na zanzalia katele bohar ni mane studio ne balama dina nyete takahe dina nyete bumbargu about the theater. Okay, then cut the most trending issue in Ghana now, Dr. UN, the fake awards personality. All right, then le baya award ye to aya yina kasa kodi na ne obi nim ma buyema ba bezan ha chante de la award ma ten le ya. And another one in the northern region, the arrest of Al Hassan Imrana in Banfum, possession of firearms. Okay, la ye to alungoma ya hal aile ankaramin kuma news platforms ma za hazo de bienme bidugo betu do na kabolo Al Hassan Imrana o ye to ayina boku share on social media kadanya la dene no o rober mebe o zurmebe o dula marafana ma den ma ye to aya katapon letana nyenya yamang le sheldon biri pune. All right, we'll be looking at that issue as well. Kanachi another story don't concern to Venyalanga. Zuzu goes through to the final 2020 GMB and Tote TV3 no Malbe reality show Kabonel Ghana's most beautiful Zuzu when you're not the written representative maya on yalangu kapi final maya the lahabalian kati zantana I will let a story ma Venyalanga then the alleged Akim Sakawa tag Nanado offended. JMC is nothing wrong with it. Baumia says he should apologize. The three most influential people in Ghana. The three most influential people in Ghana. Nye Nanadu, Nye Baumia, and Tepa John Dramani Mahama. Ye to Angoma Misa Hachamete Janamuna, Isaac Adongo when you Bulga Yale MPR, be ye to Akana Karatin Yala Kamania, Zulia, Be Bali ye to A, and Chidipuni. John Dramani Mahama Yali to A. E japadzili yetu ayina ka adongo yelle ka jonti yelle hal karatishi ne kamania filang be tour nyele nzantre balle be zulia tiele la yetu alama puna ka yede yamang le songa ka besora so he. All right, NTV visual concept the upper east region version na won gafara asabre dale de nyala dong bakanda ya. All right, the vice presidency, are we seeing a president in Bawumia? The vice presidency, my brothers, northerners, are we seeing a president in Bawumia? Or is just going to be another story just like the Aliyu Mahama? Alright, check out the headline stories maya ka data lan kalabna ti labna ka tsarsin na ba nke wane ya ntu kurgi yetu ama anzan pampa tabso man pu yala yemena sin food spices the Maristops ntu pa olive natural tea banu sa hajela bambi arsiki jemba pu ka programme ma kan na maya just a quick one kan de la bale la ndir bu ma san ka labna kana anzan to chan kan tan labna
suro le ya babbe punu matama bro nang musuro dum paga kaso yisile nyale dum sulo dum paga pumpong aha ye wonde tablen solo pam buharam na bo ci kandire mutu boram basalma banzuro golala wuma shilma de yala jijijiya de yala mina zain food spices de no de la sungo maza nyamngo de yala chicken flavor menazin fish flavor menazin jollof flavor tongo Dinyala lion nutmeg powder ngodin dene pahe anya shilma bakam sheminazin food spice din dene biya ban zirga din yan kwa be yan dane so kam yan dila ban zirgo kafile ban zora terbe shukuru shangalan ba ko zirgo ko zira binagi ya ka file minazin ban zir kwaran kan to fa customers
Neya saya memeya talanya le numpuka pa apam annakono ya dasanti NTV ngoma katega ka bang na minazin food spices ntepa Maristops Ghana ntepa olive natural tea banam nyala bambe arsiki timma pune ka programme ma ka kan na maya da bangpam yen ka zu nye bole ne ka zongale nye bon to ya ne pa na guru ka babo biha ne parade yen lu na ra ka so yoma ne na yila ku to tum se garu so. Okay, all right. Banda ko ya ye barko fiamga ko wosan mo ko se ya selen va germe de mila pia bo sha vumrle. All right, da bang pam yen ko ma cho posro ni da bala ko le bilalla da programme wa ni mo za pro jere ya sawo kama larni kuma ma be abel nan bo Voilà, là, ni quoi qu'elle l'a ni moi ça quand non, le lire à fusil chez elle. I'm a very serious guy, I'm telling you. 6 confirmed dead. The Bagri Dam spillage. Yes, the first Labalayan Santamu Kulia Polo, the North East region. Wale te pana lergu gambaga janga pal ya polo nima ne polo kat first story te la bal tuli yan zanto kuli e la bal mo maya de kamana kat table bien kaman tan na shi sa hashal ngo kaman nirba yob la sabo un kon ba nyevia zanjende la ya alama polo kul dabe ni mana ka bone la baare dam ngoma ka bato mal buka ta ka yunu kamza ha ba yuru leme yunu kam de malak ko mani yente inte pasham ka kultar sama ku to la dele ka bo buswe into yure bahra no ko ma chang bielfu puy karna la yu karmal bukata en zante la ya alama za hanan banyinde na wunta hala o damana ka bakko ma susuni ka sada mi pam sama ni mi ma hal swahla dallan za ha into te kaman asabra dal ma tara bi bolga ya alamo nta sada ku portmo wali hali ne boga hali ne bungu ya alamo ma hatta la kunna la la nyala ka samir ni mani kala la sangu ma mu ma kartum barna pam hal kan dirba yobu hal ne kalbu ba ka ko mbu nyefiya kan ni san no ma kun ko bandira da bahla yole puzure ni san no puri bannan allala inde sama ko da na ma sa bahla yole comme dire ça bobon fure bobon cobre nohe pierre de sang comme yala den chichen a cham nta pa ba satra nan bande man arziki ne ma nta comme chez les ans cham to yamang le de la balma kan nat munuma ka biyan ne bada punti tabla kamane ya sama ne mirshama sahaba kan nan be yogla ba da dam ngoma ni yogo mami drama la bukata ne ba gale interseluma la bal kaman tafsir ya kaza bi sah ya kaza ben yole kalle terba tabla kamane ya ban jimmer kulsima be bam bi soye so ne ba pang man ka na yisi ntasha police ko mo ma da allubu ma na gare ne ka bana labna tijine nta ne la yitu alma da tishaba ka ba tishaba be shabu makanan ta pawumle ne dane chakalla la barna ngoma za hat tumduma ya ba to ko bon na tijal kaman I mean it is high time la particular barida ngoma something should be done about it. I remember some few months ago be earlier this year mambala Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia da bi wali ya alma hal kana katisor I mean there was a bit that Benzan limited contract ka bang bi no sham karanan another productive avenue ne karbala termina mbang la particular contract ngoma den na sham but it is important that bare damp ma kuto yenye prole bare ne ba yuna kam sa papa ne bang bi no sham hadi kunyala ne ma jilani Allah lama biela ma so kan ne jini ma so de bang ma den yen no sham kala la bakri damp ngoma kadi yuna kamza hadi den ne ba de kan ne ngoma ka bu ta bazantale nta hada mal afana pam zantiya yes nta ta pun yali to abira zan janna pulu majara ye North East region halti jango ko ma ku kema halati chatam pune kaman irin na lirgu pulungu gambaga pulungu ladinsi pulungu halbe tampuano betan taxma gotanam donc ko bien nta pa kaman mu'abih dum jan sa hazan had sa palme karma barna pam hal dabyam na bien kaman nirba yommo ma di pashel karnya la pahne pahmea to sura na wonne la dambu ma o cha kar san targiya kale diel banna bi yoma beter sum tune ntuna tampune ntinya nya ko mo ma den yan karsha pui kabana lafti jin ni ma nania all right ma pu yala ye North East region polo kat pro to so first story ma kar yan shitu kule kat chelesani kat tune ntinya tende ko story sha dan paya the promise of ultra modern studio in the northern region. Fancy Gadam gave me that idea. Bawumia in yella yeto alungomaya. Okay, unko yon one telemagle, yon one telemagle. Dun chaka story ngoma te kanama. It is a great concern to us. Kache terek bala la kauliya. Okay, chakan chale. Na wunda la katare katang banzo lampa. Munye jilmala Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Ko labna yema bi maana tudungona no te gele kagi. Neka puhi asansan na min pambabambi tudu wana zaha katete ale kaule shanga dembiene nti halala kabo mo mapuni ka on puno tumtum shanga ka radio interview tena Fila FM kan do are tamino jin ka bopo hayo tabangoni Abdul Razak Al Hassan DJ Carlos in the interview lala bobu ma bo har Fila FM ma bawmi en shango ka warle shango DJ Carlos on bohru bosse Boasma Jibame intitulé the manifesto of the MPP. The manifesto of the MPP, which was launched earlier last month, Mambala. bohagumani tana de puuni din yala din mal niya shele in zan tutuduna kar yel to pa kamar ya ba me yel ya ne in the manifesto there's a statement kar wunu ne kaman alkawle baya ne tutuduna the Miela ultra modern studio ntiti kayito ama yelbo puni ka be papre bawmi ya ni jilma ko le yel ne kamane ha fansi gada mun yini yilala nte o mino dal zama puni kala la hankal ma da yina ni tibu kamande samse ne de zan pa manifesto ma puni ka alkawle ba ni na wonnen nan katar ka 2020 election ka bala de namya ne la 20 la namma puni bo mi studio ma sa northern region kana yen pa akana ultra modern studio nyala bo bolenya studio ya it is an closed environment kabato recorder yila de pune example no matter how ultra modern it is still the purpose is for recording either sound either visuals be art be banyal shabon ko nang da karnya ya limited people. It does not allow a greater number of people to partake in the activity that is going on in the studio. Katileti ni man kamanya. Okay, there viala madem viala kulsola wono kunde. To amate one minute yan kamanya in that manifesto, we would have wished or plead that instead of an ultra modern studio, then bought an ultra modern theater. Instead of the studio. The theater, maybe 5,000, maybe 6,000, maybe 3,000 seater capacity theater in Tamale. Can it serve the upper East region, the upper West region, the East region, Savannah region, northern regions are current to serve. Apart from musical concert, Tamal rally nama, Tamal workshops nama, Tamal wedding reception, Tamal, hala NGO shangabiare, Kabu workshops no miyan Karanyela consent to the northern region, Ka workshop ma capacity, seater capacity theater shading your holy man kanma, Kapazang no Ankara. Whereas the purpose ma, they know let it. Katamal Kwase, if there's a change, if there could be a change in that, Karashia Nakaman, Anya Nirwani Chana, to one of Yanakaman, an ultra modern studio, it contains a theater. What kind of a joke is that? Studio ultra modern wula theater to be puni. Or na ya theater. Ka theater ma tenanto ya an ultra modern studio then to be theater ma puni. So let's get this thing straight. The takatu do na kunyala lo shapolo di pa stadium ya alto no shu pikona radad. What else can tinjapolo to go to. So the Balendela MPP, if there's a way they can fix it in the manifesto, yeah, to neither an ultra modern theater, then in the not just entertainment, had movies more. But what number the public premier member yama, then the mazaha, had rally nama, political party nama, NGOs nama, be malapukata and labramaya. Generally, tell what I'm the manifesto because this is a document. I mean, this is a document that is served as a proposal to convince people to belong to the idea of a political party. Promises in yala, alkaule in yala kar big bampuni, ungurune kamania, ungoben kamani yan and nothing yet, then nankizan fukum send a ganak babo, and nothing MPP nuni. It is a document, a contract document between the electorate and the political party, which seems to convince the electorate to side with that political party. Those were the Simpson and Bayer Shanadi and Benny Malcorsi, especially MPP, but 2020 election shelting and no madam manifesto, Ali Kaman manifesto, Madame Pula Butazo, Babunya Alcohol Shanadinda about 2016 in Zankana, Naban Nonshale, Bandaba Alcohol in Naban Nonshale, one Balama. Ben nonshal, no benda yen nonshale, Lala Uncle Karakanama, so Hala Leba in that same manifesto do we come and studio theater shangamia renovation shangan, but the come another region. I mean that's our greatest concern. The Takasa in Yellow theater, but not just a recording studio. Alright, think Chelis and Dimani, Aswala Tandelma Atanma, NDC number Unit Locho manifesto to Lela manifesto, but the to Anabel, to Amayaya, then I Cheladona, maybe next week at the two manifestos mazaha in comparing what is in that manifesto ben shadam bien can you consider something to cataleria and this in the people's manifesto to tinyanya people banam balama banam nsable ya karachana tendere with time coming. But this one, then I appeal to the office of the Vice President that Tamale Northern Region, we need a theater more than a studio. All right, the most trending Dr. UN Fake Awards. The most trending on social media, yeah. Warno sonku yina. Gana ya. Ira kuchumka namwan pupana kari namwan. Kartana suna on namuru bal wakbanga. Kasubat ula balana. Oh, no more for you, Baba. Kopa award scheme. Short of the story, ma. La award scheme, Maya. Karjia ne kama ni United Nations nama, UN nama. Omin banzang bapala zuyak bentaba. Nebele Ghana mahluchi bipune inyanya banang outstanding in their chosen field. Nekara puka pa bakataba pina de yek pangmang be ni nyambutaba bembe yashanga untum de tuma. Amamami UN minimum, it is internationally recognized that bitizang bapala zuyak benbe shao. Chilmane dazabiela de pula pam. Kalala ni rumo makana with that scheme. Alisa Hotel in Lasenir with Jilma in Zambashile in Tabala award in Woma Halen tonight. Nimfu Shabunta award na Maya, Tenakutu Kalaba. Janakana, Amaya, Benang the Sao Cherza, Tia Pila Bielakachi, Chakananya Yama, Bande, Banswadela. Banswadela award, mama. Anya, naka problem. I mean, we cannot blame Bande award, mama. But Chakatana Yama. Chakana sa kwa de very pule. The rapperholic, Warama mama, the most decorated about what I was here to happen. Sakode Nyala Mumbere Puni, Professor Ebenezer Outro, Vice Chancellor, Lekon Umbalama, Kanate Belamundi, Munya presenters anti-TV3, Mabiela Punia, Kanate Hughes Banyala Mumbe TV3, Nathaniel Ato, Joy FM Sports reporter Mambalama, sports presenter Mambala, Kana Chairman, Wood to me, Ashanti Region, Chairman of MPP Mbalama, Kanate Mr. SK Wafu, Board Chair, Nzat the Mineral Commission, Ghana Balama, and the former Minister of State, of course, Cynthia Akwele Lamti of Ghana Fire Service, the Honorable Christian Edupoku, Chief Executive Officer, CEO of Eficha Cobra Sad, Frederick Achampong, Executive Commissioner, member of GFA and journalist, Honorable Albert Bagben, MP for Nadoli Kaleo, Second Deputy Speaker of Parliament and former Majority Leader of Parliament, Nangafara, Obanyala Mundela Fake Award Momaya, Kanache Ebenezer Matugu, Atenka TV reporter Mbala, Kanache Archbishop Professor Dr. Asafo Ajay, Anna Frimpong, Chief Executive, Asafo Ajay Hospital, ni D Black, Nathan, ni DJ Black. We are the Yaya, who told they were, but they are war by Yaya. I am, but problem man, me. Individual born come on to blame me, but they let award mama. Individual born to blame her. But the problem, yala, Lala Nirmoma, Nitos coming in for Shamoma. I mean, had to buy, come on, Sako dear. Come on, Alban Bagman, come on, Chairman Woom to Minima. Come on, Erin Bellamundi Nima, come on, DJ Black Nima. I mean, Lani Mama, Kareka Yamba, Kabukuto Chang, because as things is Sasha, you and the Mama, official website Namazaha, but disclaimer, come on, they have nothing to do with that award. Ka award Mukuyeno, can you know, you could make a reference on the internet. In Yenyalela Award, Mama, then affiliation to the UN. Can I go into it with your hard earned reputation? Kiswahili Punilama, Gula. Gula, up at the pompity. Bishop delete pictures, Bishop delete. But don't put your shambala. Lamos friend story ma. Yes, hello video share YouTube no video share ko na ko explain share na ma. This for hello believe me no ka lafi ba. That young guy, I'm very sure that uka lafi ya. But that award mama, there's something authority to pick the young man up. Mbangbenye no sham. Banza habiri puluma. Kaba zaha la la ma. They will write a statement collectively. Ncha kaba understand come on. The parliament disrespect la UN ma, but to make sure that how the UN them something will take la nirma on for using their name to scam people. Berchoko Riwokrala, and when we come as Yapu, Bukarbabu, Few Kachoko Bana Kaman UN is a distinguished name, Karwesson was on the Shia Maya. All right, Yapoloka to Bimaga, okay, and the Aborman and Data and Kalabana, Ntana Basan, you to Asher them Benzantaya, Mampuyala Yamina Saint Food Spices, and Tapa Mariscopes, the olive natural tea, Banam Sahanyala Bambi, Arsikitima Punaka program Maka, the Kanamaya, a very quick one, Kanan Data and Maka Lamana. Then yet, Zuzu goes through to the final 2020 GMB, Dumbalama. Anto te ni yule kamza hatichan metem warya okay katapole kanaka understand den yesham ula katiyen nan da gbampam yen no kom no kwa bia abiya na kula hanyu kom last year ma da nan ya katabe perbasara da chan kan nasara da ta kane yeto adan kan yarama den ye TV train mal reality show kapole no Ghana's most beautiful kadanan the unicum kan northern region na won ga fara unicum za hade malla ta malla authority on that particular program you know bipom bo representative tinyala Susu, la Susu Moma, Safrigo Bipom Belembala, Kubela Yilomania, Nta Bipombe and Pina York Kawarapi, each region, Damala single representation ya, Karabella House Moma Puni, Nta Allah Delmaka, the Dano last eviction before the final. Okay, but I 7 to Pumpon, Bukalani Bipons and the Bayo Kabayan final on the 20th, Kapiper was Susu, Kunyan Vosomo final Mazo, Mormon and Tala Balkamantishi Sashamo, Nta number and part of screen Mazo, Karentos and Sonsum, vote to be a triangle, I'm a mommy vote to be a triangle, the Pamatamakala photo Maka, Bounty and Nosham, Kataperbanete Pipombloma, Winnie Susu, Savrugo Pipomblema, Kolutu Tila, Jashima Kanaya. Alright, I like them performance, there are no Vinyal and Gapam. Okay, Anto come a northern region, collectively, then the Kustati, Zainab Daniel and Wuntili, Basidayi, Upper West Region, Monatili, Kanati, Nasara Baratili, 3 times in Nabala, Northern Region, Mokatili, the Pamatamanga, Zara, Ben last year, Makara, Chang Vinyanga. Okay, we still believe that here, more than Dunia, the Misaha, the Yelati supported team Maya, Kamponapo, Alajimutala, Yendi Blood, when Yelamupa, Uma Pomenta, you try to Koran the foot of Yale, or Punta Command 1000 and Balama, Karabu foot to the Mariapam Santu, Alaji, Ariski Balama, Might Ghana, Director Balama, until when Yelamu Tamu Pamkarachan for Yang and the presenters, the Bankamza Hatima, Team Zuzu, you guys will just keep pushing. Let's identify some people, approachable. Bandam Zahani Mohan Rubian Tumpava Tinya, the no Sham Katidi, to Porjashi Momaya. Alright, Umborman the natural stories Moma Sally, Katideta and Kalabana, T Labna, Katiadi, Yenya Labashanga, and Katabasas and number 2 Wanakana, Zomina Saint Food Spices, the Maristoops Ghana, the olive natural tea, Jandi Telengo. I'll be right back after this.
Nyurla tea nang bansu le zo zonko live the healer tea men supernatural green tea na ngandu kama tampiel ngap satrana
yisana tea to na ngondo no shama
ma ko Michel mbay yisana tea taman nango wata man nango don tuna nan shama na amili ma jili di pan nango do mbala shama do mbala ha
no boao
vous ma goro ngozo
de sai
dan sa ya mbe ku chala la ya mbe to la chana chacha kan bang le donya di pan nango
tin mo ngela banzanti la mel shel kar viel pamtene vo shaba mel vum ngel mosra shichir duro tin mo wala pansar yani sel nang banana ka bore jidule ba mel solam ngel mosra la gba bom ti mo shi zo yale talgo ngele kan ngna zo be zabre yel mosra ngele ti mo la viel pamte ba mel stroke ne ban pa ba sabsar ba do men ba piar jianam kar ba piar la
andula ne je ngor le pam o ku le pa mo ko pa ma hal ka jate lege
supernatural green tea igba
Mr. Ibu yana pansur ko nang buna pol ser shemu pamti ala tima be energy drink ko nura ashe o bangla ashilma deringe o live the healer tea no supernatural green tea bambor tea won benyel pike gombla san do kulo ku pharmacy alasa Mohammed be Central Mox Minaj supermarket e na par enterprise karbeje karayele Asia Sirina supermarket Total filling station dembe pass and garden la Asia fibe tamal da kurlana ni Mr. Ibu su to be sang par la tisa
Mba, what can I keep people? No one had to do a camp, a woman, no. Mba, Bugana had to do
only natural green tea,
supernatural green tea, the master healer. Get up.
0243 07 56 94 024 333 9530 020 27 46 141.
Yes, sire. Yes, sire. Mia. Tallah nyale nung puka pa apam anna kuno yada santi NTV ngoma. And of course, nusuha kambina zaha katizante pugu katizante paba dembangmale nsante minasin food spices ntepa Marie Stopes numa anache olive natural tea nima na wunga fara bambe pangma punu na arsiki ka programu ma ka kanna ma ya kalate ga na din chana ka goma with the stunner of a presenter hafizu da trend ya okay da bampa me yan ka zongale nye bonto ne ka zoomi nye bole ne barbu fiabga na ko wasarlam ko se ya donda ya na pa na kuru ka bo bi hanara paladi yan lume ne nahi la mi ko to tam se garozo dan man den chira natinya ka zapil sabalan gura bang na bano la kato to la kan yara ma ya dede ma ka gom ha chira donda ya na yiterla ni shunu mata ya na ba no lo woble dene nye dene tie lamana ntupu ka pa mina sen ntupa Marie Stopes numa na olive natural tea numa bimbe pang ma pu ka program ma ka da kan ma dele amana titi ne bu bana mallah bal she bi da bilim ni yeshale ka ta san lati yoma na kantan ya all right check at start with bana ma bana yema sen food spices lela mina sen food spices mo ma ya na won ga fara dinin ka nya amaliya palle be dinin ka pumbe dundon pune amaliya nya be irin waljiran nya okay ato rabin tirgo kohra be amalla amaliya imalla suna imalla party la ango den ki ku yen la am karamal bukata na bantirgo chakan yala na redi kapye bantirgo tombo puni lala ba ma man ka bu ashil in zauta bantirgo ma to boya anye imma zala na aji zala bun ku kohra lebar bo shin ngoma ya ka tongo ka bacang ta fabua ka wahan bawra lora terba ya na won ga fara ka walsi ashil ma nyala min na sin food spices okay chakan so yala ka di waljira ko hugum zan solo mamale anye bantirgo ya da simsin na dole kan ne sanin dir kanin alafi mu ba din yanga da simsin da mal kwarsa ne tibo okay anya bishop bira dun don kam nya munafike be la be mu ma antonio kama mamle ne to doy anya ka be mu ma kam kuti handil len do noy mba wal jira mu ne to do anya ka be ma ya no pundi la sambanne to munafike be mbala bamban ashir mu ma dene dene menasin food spices de kamana karnyi balle dene nyi dene la be nyoma ngoma ya antonio ka zam dene biane ka no dene biane kana ci jollof dene karabiane kana ci karakara dene karabiane jarka yen do be shinkafa ba ma man ka bo menasin food spices ngoma zan nan ya dinin ka bol sana na da tamal da kurlon won anyale be cela an can kuma da karuma pune an la nyele la menasin food spices ngoma ya all right man na ku yara me dinnin kan yi da munafiki kuma abin yin zakku ko ma zo yes saya all right lela mina sin food spices ngoma kaman ni yara ma ya yi akban ma manga ka sashel kamza haka yen to bantirgo ka bu ashil san nan bantirgo ma pune ya ye fish flavor pian mi kana ce chicken flavor kana ce jollof flavor kana ce lion nutmeg powder dan ma sa hanya la dan beri pune ya man pu yala anye jele shapulugo okay ka te chele san ne katar situ ne ntepo alkawle dene dene Marie Stopes Ghana lela Marie Stopes Ghana ngoma ya NG wonjale na won ga fara karbe tamal gumbal yilya ka ba alkawle ne ba mamma ne bin sha'anin ya du'am ya tu'a be kamar pa ne to la ambushe da da lafe ne ya shani dala ya la zanta ba na ba pang man ka da paga ya yoma ka be kantanga all right chaka na halala organization ngoma lala office ngoma bin be shapulu ka tele table pui kana ya la ban mal bukata shel ne zanta dinin ka be tamale be ayi na tan shel kan da to pa man ka shi taxi rank anya taxi rank ya ba shel ku jember la ka bole ne zelia food complex ka vumber ni mane ntele anu dirgu su'ungo anya jira misang mane se ka GN bank ka ba betanga to bu sok sama na won ga fara Marie Stopes no nyala ban shab ni mane ya bukata din be lah ba din ka ba mal nan zanta nin tema ni to amne balama tada ban nyala karani korsa ban kan ni sel kamza ha ka borle nirmi musam se ka do amu ba yan kana ya ka alafi bi sa'ata ka hankal bi sa'ata ka biya bu mamman bi sa'ata ne la do amu ba da kana da musam se na mal shiri ka to amu ma talab ga ya bi ma da mu shiri pui kalala to amu ma na kana ne titi ma ka ban ne kaman ya dinya la kaman laboratory test ka yin no reproduction ye to anyale okay kana ce irin DNA testing yale kana ce bani to lambu ala fi bomba zaha na won gafara Antonio la Marie Stopes ya kable yan nin ma no malati shal kalati mu ma karanin an fara pam dan kan mamman file wala la BK1 la BK1 mu ma ya in ya war mun so anya ha ni dinan ka amliya min angu be pa min do ki lambu ma puni ki na bu mel shil kaman la and shal in la anu i bor zulia i bor pia kalamu ma mi pulami din to ku kanala ma nyama karikajia ka kapi amliya sane ka te kanala ma ka nyama ka su komna ko mu sunya ka amliya ti kamanya orbo mal shil no zalbiya karmite kanala betama dabanu ndang yi nta na halne na antopi la PK1 te pele ngoma vale kala den ngoma kana mali sali hadita nan ka mal shiri na asal puwa na won ka fara ayen nyama kada kana vinya langa ya la PK1 ngoma chaka na kuta te kum toble ne di nan ka borla anto nyale fayra duru kam za hadem bere PK gombala ala di to kulo pharmacy den nam za ka bora anto nyale la PK1 ngoma ya to chelba ban namba nan bono den 0544 311 061 once again 054 kana no 4 ya kana no 311 061 ai borla la PK1 ngoma anto nyale ya chakan lati ga ka bang da ban da ban shabu bu safe abortion di chaka so yi sene yala yeto ashin ma da pam mai yanna chan tan ka batin bal borsin mer longa na ba sir la gwana waya lati ma ka bang ne jaman sunga ne jaman bang baru ya all right lala yeto al ngoma nyala dene anto to api pombla carbon ni bi pombla ngoma chan shukuru intile jin mensa be intile charlotte osai be intile jin men nana opoku ajiman jin bi wa ka bunduma mun ka bon woligi ka bahere bil so ku be shapu ga wutima ka zan bi ma ta puwa anto so bi pombla ngoma nchan lala ashitu ngoma ni kaptele o hankal kale o la rafi nyanya o sa doam ban so ko to ai o bi sa doam ban lam bang bin nan sham vula la alu bongo ma chu ka doam no tabata tu ya da shal on to borre all right dan nan ba sa ha ayen yale ya mari stops kana ka ta chale san ne ka tarsi tu ne dan ka tare ko pa ma ba dan mal amana ne til lafsali ya dan ya dan olive natural tea. Ye olive natural tea, the supernatural healer, the supernatural tea healer. Okay, la dun ngoma ya nang naman yasin pa. Ni ye supernatural green tea ka yan the master healer. Dene inye dene. Din nang ka to pa mama ya ka angman ma nye dene. De to nang dala tom ne tim falbo be ari bi borna shit awum da aship ti yule be ari bi wum na achang drugstore achang ya ka totungo mi kunya pai ima malaria nyere ima diabetes nyere shikar doro malangoma ima dene nyere apunu musala sha kam to wum to kumo har jiya ngoma ambuto tarfin yaranga hydraulic ngoma abuto wo sana din samsun ro washam chakallan yi haka banya ne be den nan maka sa ngoma da bakur kamira be da kubun to karami sashal bian ba da baku sashal bian karabami na akpon ma manka bumba la tea ngoma ya den supernatural green tea nto pa de la tea ngoma ya den nan da manya asem okay non green tea bala ma supernatural green tea nto pa olive the healer tea na den ngoma za haya na won gafara madan ka Mr. Ibuku bagi ko dundo ngoma kara san fen yalan ngoma ya man pu yara yere no stroke bal bo ambala ma slim aparna nan da saksai ka aporna ade saksle fen yalan ga be malaria boba be overweight kama ne pu yala ma diabetes be patale asorlam in yan kana kara bobra anto nyele latino ngoma sa hanuya kana ti sexual weakness den ka boys ma ka borma ya inte ma na bomba de ne supernatural tea inte pa olive the healer tea. All right, but number nam yala dene 0243 075694. Once again 0243 075694. Kana ti 020 274 6141. Once again 020 274 6141. Chekan latte ga ka ba no dene olive natural green tea the master healer. Number 1 stunner. All right. Nari nan ka borti nan ngoma na da ya kayan bon yale te matable fan yalanga hasha siri na supermarket Antonio la olive green tea ngoma da PK gombala Antonio le dokulo ku pharmacy na won ga fara de sham ni mana ya Al Hassan Muhammad yala ngombe Central Mox Antonio le o shuto ama puni karate mina supermarket be gurgu ya ne AA na para enterprise jakara yi last open bala ngoma Antonio le ni mana bada total filling station Parks and Garden ya alma na won ga fara de beni kanate aji afinya la ngombe dakor ne ya ne Mr. Ibu shuto adam be sang palati sala dan ma sa Antonio olive green tea ngoma sang da ya olive natural green tea the master healer. All right, ne ya saya de kan labana ka te to ya to aya ya polo ka trezar ba den na de ngoma nye de Mayela yeri ne kamar ada bilgu ya pangma man kamil production team be management ki po hayo taba ka sponsor program wa be ka ba ku ban ayen no sham ka da bilim be ke na ozo ka tezang le tesolo azan ada bilim na pi ka fizu mo le karaba da na so ten zel sagba de pa su amal yel kuro dola na chang tambale Come pale o me wumni dangba la fizu to an kuro larwa. Okay, stories ma dan ka tare ko pa maya the arrest of Al Hassan Imrana in Banfum. The arrest of a brother Al Hassan Imrana Kababundu. Let us story ngomaya dinun kanang active on WhatsApp, be kanang active on Facebook. Anye story shele. Kalela story maya hal ay karandale chana story ma de chen pam kabayande a hardened criminal, the most notorious armed robber arrested in Tamale. Kalala yetu alongoma lala te bapru ngo beti yitu amna ngo biala yo kanire bo pamniyo. Story ngoma mi kamana katia vele ntinyele. Kabona tesan la tana. Story ma na kanasham. Nebo zula soluru ankara tema yon balama. Armed robbers en fasoluri. Bon falla la luru ngoma kana nang tabayi kala luru ngoma ka traka bi de pune. Ka traka ma bi mana nyala machine nyala ka bazang la non luru nan pune. Luru ma ne kesha pulu kamben to ku jolla la bro ma ante bala luru ma. Kala la luru ngo ka ba jolla ha na antinye la luru ma tamala ngo banfam. Kar piela la tiji tarla ngo ma sane. Police ne kabna ne bata bagu. Ba nyala mara fanma. Kar billa la bidde blo ma otu. Marafan ngoma ya ben kal marafa shanga dem bien ma ya bana ku kal kaman 3 pistols benyale nte pa 4 mobile phones benyale nte pa 1 black HP laptop benyale no 1 AK47 benyale nte pa 1 empty magazine balama ne 6 registered vehicle numbers nte pa on use lorishal ta lorishal ben trace ma nyala Toyota Highlander marafa kwa ne empty magazine ma den ma za hanar nyala dem bilala ta bapru ngoma sare kabli yel ne kaman den ka la luru ma bra roble ma kab yen ne bapru ngoma ben to nyala ben robasha ba police statement ma na kana la arrest ngoma ba arrest me ne in possession of illegal arms la ka police report ma na kana do anya write ups on even website ben yara anya ba describe ru as hardened criminal as notorious armed robber wula den ma gal siya ta karanle ba tan vumri to ama la mashab area ngo police station ngo kada no katamarle hatta po hato yo no nguna no odang dan katinyanya yito ama de nyala dane ne borna so ayeto ashele kakka tele ta bielfu kar son nan ban ma nyama 1 nta hade saati it has been admitted that nzuma biela into guns o dile mara fa ko habana yeto aba saati di pashal al umama o saatele ne ama am robbery nguna no karfu police station mama yeto akan yara no dan le jilo ko yare to kan wunda den kan yara o sati no ko har mara fanama am robara no bononga me kafa no karapune to de minnan ka loro mo karata biyo salma no la yela mun chan togo nta dan loro namna so no loro mo ka sogo ho yongo ka mun chan ta dalakuna loro shel on dan kuno ma bi mi tolle ma karnyala ne bara nyama fa so sana on ko haltuma de sahaban to loro mo kana anti toju kala la mara fanna mo min de mo san hakarta bi pune ka papa babu to bon babu no be sane o san ba chan munda wo ka be yon kaman loro ya ka sa ka ko harle chamte dalama ba bala ni ma pa to ba papa me no police vergo no chan to no ka batin nyanya mun san ko da loro mo ya delanda ni loro mo to de vergo pune ka ba na chena ka ta bona ta pa ni be solo ni be pa share la story ma with the title of a hardened criminal, notorious armed robber arrested in Tamalima. The truth of the story, man, yamia. Investigation na chen la on so na paham solo. Title and shelter mar head headlines by me story man. The number no had police mama. If you take the report from the police man, then possession of illegal arms, but nabi accused of armed robbery. The family. All right. Unta yeto ashal den na ko bian mbala kati yelle biel fo den nan ka pol yeto amana be police nuru ka chen ko tuma de mala anye yelle sham ka bat data ganda ka data man la ya unta hadam bian mbala kati zantana on the story of the arrest of Al Hassan Imrana in Banvum the possession of firearms ma den mbala ma titi ma ka ba no nyele 8 years Banvum ya almo ka babu ya ne babu ben nyele pistols unta pa mobile phones unta pa 1 laptop unta pa 1 AK47 the 1 magazine and balama 6 registered vehicle number ne ebun babu ban lori number nam kunya la dem biane to dar lori na maro ya no dar lori na ma to go lori ma so to dalena ka na ba register ne ko bon number plate zan tabla ka na zuwar ganda ma to go lori doro ban ya ayo ka number nam ku tabla ka bo monda to de da ban pa me yan piam ne to ayi ter lan journée ne ko so ma ne to ama to ama yin ti ga maka ban na cin ayi ter na yin ko ba ti nga ti dir bom abora ko ku de ma ga badan ka to ko mi ya gulla baya iban dar lori na ma iban chante dar loro na ma imi loro ma dai yina shari to no ma hankal kan paga la san wa kala ta paga ya all right but yeto an ma tana ku tolle men tinyanya ya yes dan bam pere inta yendi poluma ko yina be na yeto ama pam ka ta bana yi dolle ba ti tira ya zan solo lala hidden of a hardened criminal notorious armed robber no manguna no karatuni marafana no kwahara no marafana ngoma mi den ka banyu juma. I'm sure that each uncle to the thing yeri yamal ni sharia. All right, katichele sen katel situni ntinya your story den katel ko pahmaya the alleged Achim Sakawa tag. Nana Ado offended. JMC is nothing wrong with that, and Paumia says he should apologize. All right, lala yetu alungomaya. Quick one katuku en pobele tuna kanyere ntiasi ene chanishamia. MPP gwamnati dazan la ala kawle shel kana karanyela kama deal shel ka borna banan ka bole ne e japa deal karate into natural resource yetu apuni kalale yetu aluma kara ku trendera kalyamnum yan babu ne la deal mo ne ba fiel te gana ne ba ka wo hunu yan ne la deal mo de fiela dinnan ban teni puni me ka be ka honorable MP Isaac adongo be bolga yalwo nye MP ko tite Facebook nti sabiye to azanjanela e japa deal ngoma ka describe ni infosha bambe punuma as Achim mafias ne Sakawa boys with lala title ngoma uzan lala na do pai uzan finance minister pai uzan bam na pai lala description ngoma puni of Achim Sakawa boys lala Isaac adongo Facebook ko sable ka jilbala munye frak berda sante NDC kala ni former president of the republic ma John Dramani Mahama ko te Facebook nti share la particular story ngoma share ngoma punu onon to anu ngoma nangunu John Dramani Mahama ma kala ye to ngoma karabelu mmagi be ba prenda na adu danka akufo adu ombolo Achim mafia bi Sakawa ngoma de banu nyasa katangban zolan le yinati yanna kamana na Simpson John Dramani Mahama Bankaman statesman new no de yari yeto akaba leher kantanga ne la yeto alngoma ne de table mun onye balshelbe uzulia ne kara Simpson tangban zolan ko leher ne to dinna chanlala ka John Dramani Mahama yinati yanna babu ne la yeto alngoma ya no bu mini no onnon jilman kaybe o film tunzun shelbe balshele ne de ba banda Achim ne ma ne because ne ban na jawo NDC national chairman na Achim nyu be ban na kulon ci manifestation ngo committee ma head mon leader le no banyala Achim ne do so ne yeto angoma nyala ni vo sha bambe pour ma ne yerna chapulu ne banyala Achim no akale nye mafia ne de ci ko ti yalla ma ba me bara nyala ngo kana tamal ngo nti chan karga campaign launch ma puni Jilbanan Mahmoud Baumia bayala ya netang ban zolana no on dilala alisama shelaka de jandi so balle be ongi national ne rebo fiala ne Simpson John Dramani Mahama ko tum sanda ne ka yeltim pa nsan jandela yeto alngoma ne rebo nan zungo de ban nan piane hal dalbi ba ne go no ya ne la yeto alngoma de ban nan katang ban zolan kurumina ko jiya ne la yeto alngoma ne ka turunya ka filan yale okay katabon ne ta kana wona no opinion you see anyala la ethnocentric comments ngoma honestly Hal Isaac Adongo Mamanga as a member of parliament, he's not supposed to make such comments. Talk less of the former president. Go to share your little idea of his story, man. Forget about the former president. Even Isaac Adongo, a member of parliament, a honorable member of parliament. He's not a serial caller. He's not just an ordinary member of a political party. He's a statesman. And it is not good you describe people with attached to the tribe they belong to. Let's be honest. Dinya afizu zula bua. Afizu zula bua. Kanye daba na kuzumu bawo ki bama. Ki kati na afizu zula bua. Afizu nzubua. Ama dagbambela afizu zula bua. Dagbambela afizu zula bua. Dagbambela afizu zula bua. Mumpa dagba munye dagbana. Den shiru den nyuru obuzu bua. It has nothing to do with the tribe or where he's coming from. You can describe whoever is in the deal as a Sakawa boy. You can, because it's like modern day politics now. And it's only yes, you can trade on that land, but to attach a tribe to whoever is in that deal, man, no, please no. Because election year can be on one, and you see people attach emotions to who they are. Mbona so yele ben shaka ko bol kama dagban kan yele tur kara tur so bi kara filene so de Simpson so ba yele so ben shaka ka bol o yul o balli ma you don't describe as tips Sakawa kama bana buna incompetent ma bida yambona kama bida yambona John Drama kama the incompetent gonja man be gonja incompetent no dra be cham dra na ku sale. Personally, I feel like even Isaac Adongo Mama no talk less of the former president sharing it. To me, to me, the Kamala to Ashana, but northerners, but Banama, no, Banda Kutu, Tarabasal, Halmu Mama, Banda Yerula, Tarabasale. Any other description covered that to attach your own Yinashapulu, Bekam, but any northerner, we felt offended and we demanded apology. Regardless of whether apologizing or whether apologizing, we still feel offended. And if anything, Assad is also happening to another person, the Simpson at la condemn ya. The Akatiyar la Kakuze Pinete Dalafi. Alright, Katichelis and Nikanya Yetasha Dumbiania. But now to Almama, you see. Civil society organizations, the Simpson never reacted to the lay to Aloma, call GM to order the Kobe Maker La comments. Very well, very well, very well. Now, the Papa and the common social and civil organization never be able Zonki Bang never be any Yaraba Zaha. To bien never. But of course, let's stay away from it. People with their tribes, with their religion or their beliefs. Let's take it away from politics. Let's take it away from politics. Honestly speaking, people attach so much emotions to certain things. Things only repeat the politics for the insanity, and we are in election year. To the chakala ethnocentric comments, it finds a way into our daily politics. It will not speak well of us as a people. Alright, especially when it got to do with the land Bandam in your command in Wula. Come on, I could the three most important in John, in Baumia, Nana. But non ka yeto abiri pune ka bazuli en perda de pune ami sirio college be shinyuru yeto banko en ka mo perda pune yara yara ka ri tonne ba ate nya ka ti shepolo ya labra ta ka ti nyor ta no so ta to mara fa no ka te darma gana damya ki te ya ka te pe ya. All right, ti yalla la yeto almo ma ka tele salia kanya nya yeto ashal dem pa ya ka ti en kole the NTV virtual concert the Upper East version. All right, anto te ni NTV min de kwambaza ha bala ala kawle na dan ka covid kana ka te buto la nya sa anto chatam ne jam de kanon de nya sam ngoma. Okay, na mal bukata na find a way na buto entertainer kana ko non nya sam despite covid dina ya na la de into engaging into nirba. For that reason, there are organizing there are a committee, in-house committee at NTV, kada bangbe yen no sham organizing the particular visual concert ngomaya. Anto tin 2-3 months ago, first one ma da yala den no, chobulma nan balama, kada da nan tamal gumba yil kara Nzang artist na, kaman Fancy Gadam, kaman Wishal, kaman Fadalan, Abu Sadek, and the artist Shabandabian. Okay, tamal din ma da yala northern region, but of course, there are artists coming through from Northeast region, and again artists came through from Savannah region, Rap Coach Daniel and Savannah region, the Sapashini, Daniel and Northeast region, and the artist Shabanda between the Rajang Vinyaga. Second one, Magbanangela, then the good people of Upper West region. That one got for a Baranya, we share ya, Game Boy no man, the Gun in the man, the Rasbadinoma, Kababarakana, until you're part of that particular NTV visual concert. The Upper West region version was held here at NTV, and again, just to tell man. Traditional performances in Daniel, Karanyala Irim Balazaku, Ntepa Dixon Gawani, Ntepa Bandakana to one Abiao, Ntepa Simpandabela Mazaha, Daniela Denaya. And you know the station, this is the station that speaks your language. Amidin Yesham, Netanya Tesa Sheldon Abad. For that matter, the good people in the Upper East region deserve their share, and surely management has decided to satisfy that. Kadadana Kataraka Pobaya, Nedamal Malinya, now only something if you paga Dale, di Pashel Yung Kurugani, Kurugawe, Lala program then start here, the Upper East region version of the visual concert, then Yaladan Kanaya. Artists will be performing, of course, the Sonamal Michel Gundala program, Karatapana, Asabradale, Katiyala, NTV. Indeed, it is not just by Kakli Mobinyal Kama, it is the station that speaks your language. No. Wherever you are, wherever you find yourself in and around the northern region, definitely you have a share on this station. Kari Anyar Balsha, to Kuparmana Bana Amalpinia. No. Our station shall be an Akuba to Bolga Polo, up to Bolly. No, Bolga, Akugar Bolga Polo, that's up to Bolly. Nimoga Yarama. Be walk, Akugarawa, yo, up to Lambolly, GNT, and TV. The chance so much, you know. Don't be deceived, I'm telling you. If you cross Upper East Upper, there's only one TV station in Northern region. And that's NTV. Alright, okay. Then cut the bottom of the Zampaya. Can you tell your last story, Shelly? The story, Mama, okay, but then the vice presidency. Are we seeing a president in Bawumia? Are we seeing a president in Bawumia? Last story, woman, in the border time, pan and some tele. Or it is just going to be another story of Alhaji Aliyu Muhammad. May his soul rest in peace. Come on, Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, current Vice President of the Republic. O office man. Muninye, come on several occasions acted as the President of the state. We are going into politics a little bit. The whole MPP family, are they seeing the next president in Bawumia? The whole MPP, not just the MPP. People around Bawumia, I mean even Northerners, the command holders of the Vice President's office, man, workers around him, team around him, are they seeing him as a potential president? Jakatuzunyanga, command Aile Atamils, Atamils Daniel president, and everybody was seeing that it is possible that Atamils need to move John Dramani Mahama on shifters and lead president. Are we seeing that in Bawumia, or we are cool and we are okay with the office of the vice presidency? Tina Letin Chapsi, Lakate Leherle. As at now, just one term in parliament, Kaman Kujo Opon Kurma is already seen as a presidential material. Kujo Opon Kurma, first time in parliament, less than 40 years, is already seen as a potential president. The finance minister, Honorable Ken Ufuriata, is a potential president. The education minister is a potential president. What about our own Bawumia? Are they preparing him? Are they aware that when you first apprentice, the most experienced person, if MPP want an individual to take the place of Nanadu, Benyero lala, Onyero manglala, Bambio round, Benyero lala. Lala ye to aloma kan bornete, Azana hankati. The Simpson the Pumpoya, he feel on the command. Look, you see, there are certain things here. Bawumia Yerle. Just look at how he's taking issues. I'm telling you that without any fear that the 2016 election was won by Bawumia. Ominu pa banda diliti MP mahal shopien ka pa di party won bi brazan la no pa brava dara party ma dimina ka to womno ya, but on every campaign platform was Bawumia and their wife until MPP got the power in 2016. And still you would know that it is even Bawumia who is matching the opponent of the NDC, who is JM. But still, we see him as the vice president, and it seems to end there as the vice presidency. Northerners. Hey. Alright, lala ye to alumaya. Hanka ya nung katiyar la terma. Ka food soldiers. Ka getos nang bantin garba. That it is time we start looking at Vice President Mama Lihumanga as a potential president in the near future. Abaya. Yele ye to aluma pile yele no. Hal ben shara nang la yongwa. I got very offended that the vice president is coming to Northern region. Kaba selected radio stations. Kabaji radio stations channel, and they didn't deem it necessary to get a TV station, never coverage. This is the time that Den Simpson and Bawumia could not very popular. Very popular. Don't joke with a single camera around you, especially the media. Especially when you are on Project North. Make it loud, make it noisy, make people feel your presence. With time, before people will start pointing at you, Bukanang, Karabian Kasukama Zahanya, Kawala Buhara. But if you think that, especially holders of the vice president Kukana, if you command, or radio you don't care, TV stations, Bombo camera, no canal. Don't book the camera, no shit. Nyanya. Bosoka Kujo Ponkurma have a shift into information ministry. Everything is there, everything is there. The finance minister is around. Little in Yawami John Munakaba, Marzane. Alright, Teneyaku Yelmea, Nanga for a Kakushi Chipia. Okay, Tekati enzale last story ma wunya mballa ni yarda chan shakwe. We will get there. Possibly maybe Saturday next week nekana I would pick that story again. When I say food spices, ntepa Marie Stopes Ghana, no olive natural tea, banembe ba arziki di mapu neka programu maka kanna maya. Umwarma nampu haji fuse na miliki miku. Yes, nidi nka abon nangban suli ya na kwa mama nka kana haji fuse sana miliki miku lembalama. Anya environment maka no swing, ami kana no very cool. Ka to shin di mane take a breakfast ka to meet opportunities. I mean you can discuss business as well ni mane ya. Haji fuse na mishishi maza haya. The chairman, the general, I mean everybody around there. Okay, to put a kapara so kama za hanang banyindi. Lela nyela kambwana po World Trade Crew maza ha. Fisha mira la san jabla. Ntepa na Yilgola, ntepa Zamani, ntepa Jelly, ntepa Black Moon. All right, all the guys around there. No ruler Muhammad and Balama Yitalan Bulu Tamde Denchana. Thank you so much. Ne yariya maza hanang banyindi no poka pa so kam. Ne yendi bla la mutala Balama no poka pa. Ne yasankara yiliya maza ha. Ntepa rich homie governor. Ne yariya maza. I mean whoever is doing the monitoring file here, we most grateful. Thank you so much. As usual, production team Abigail in charge of the camera. I want to say a very big thank you to Abigail MFA. As always, and once again from my heart, Sadiq is in charge of the MCR. I salute you, sir. Thank you so much for making sure that visuals and sound is clear for us to trim. All right, editing program and again, Ahmed Didad, Ahmed Mohammed, Ahmad program. General Manager Mr. Enoch, and Administrator, the CEO, Sita Sofo, his son is the boss. I mean everybody there, everybody around here. We thank you so much. All right, Alfred Kojo Boatin is the CEO of AKB Multimedia. Okay, I think we are about to go. All right, marhaba, marhaba. Marhaba yenna dambi yesal makabam bagar ko ga nudru ko chonso kan nusa prepanga to amani kunye sherkam ya zan be yum kasata no kulun ko lam ko go man panga Muhammad Hafiz the trender. We out. Bye bye. Salam.